So here we discuss about the trading. What is trading? Trading in we had different topics. So yellow I highlighted. Uh, as you might have heard, blockchain and cryptocurrencies are already used in lots of different local areas. Unabundantly, one of the biggest current cases of speculation. So, if in this way, trading shows that many applications like that, Binance, blockchains, cryptocurrencies, so different areas we use that huge benefits trading. Trading generally implies a shorter term approach to generating profit. Traders might jump in and out of positions all the time. But how do they know when to get in and out? This is tell us about the how we input cash and how do we get withdraw cash. This is all about on bitcoins or some BNB, XYZ, love networks, etc. If they you have set limit, if you go on letters Bitcoin, so we jump it. It means we withdraw it. One of the most common ways to make crypto sense the cryptocurrency market through an approach called technical analysis (TA). So technical analysis look at price history charts, other types of the market data to find the bets that you have a good chance to return the profit. It means tell us about the how we use cryptocurrencies, how we benefits and return the payments. It is very. You must drawing be a strateg start a right way to technically you couldn't. It's but easy, but like the most common thing where both pursuing and trading is hard. It could be take us long time to talk about the that you need to keep in mind. Okay. Uh, Permissions here. No one can stop you can stop using the currencies. This is tell about all the currencies is that no one other's account has been approved that now you have permission. Uh, no one use cryptocurrency simple payment on the other hand and can freeze accounts or prevent transactions from being moved. It depends on your wallets. What's your wallet? Just cash, easy pesa, naya pay, sada pay. It's all over depend your currencies. Censorship. What is censorship? Censorship resistant because of the way to network is designed. It is virtually impossible to hackers to others attackers to shut it down. It is simple that says if you have hacked or someone to attack you, shut down it. This is totally secure your account and tell about the payment method. Cheap, fast, and payment method. So please tell about that. What is that? Cheap and it is your assignment. You can talk in section, talk about in comment section. So discuss about the what is cheap and fast payment method. So please highlight me in comment section what I do and what I doing that for the specification in the cheap for fast payment method. permission censorship resistant. It's